Hi, vlog. Say hi. Hi. So, nandito kami sa Bicol International Airport. Madaming pagkain dito. Ang ganda, cute. Ayan. Hi, Elise. Ilisan. Tatay. Tatay. Si like that. Cebu. Okay. Cebu. So, asan kayo? Asan kayo ngayon? Cebu. Cebu kami. Kailangan natin makahanap dito ng postcard. Elijah, let's go. Later, we will go a tour. Come here. Hello. Look at that. Elijah, come here. Look. We have a swimming pool here.
She finds love again with God, and then God lets him or her like find the right person.
Wow. What's that, Elisa? Thank you. Wow. Hello, Elise. So we're here.
Okay, all right. So normally we
713.
Okay.
Let's wait. Wait, sige. Sister, I can take that.
Let's go. Over here. Number
Please, press the
7.
7.
Wow! Look at that! Ang laki! Wow! So, taba ko yan. Wow! Ano to? Open! Open nga? Paano yun i-open? Doon sa kabila. Look at our toilet. This is our... Shucks! Ang laki!
Wait,
Look at
the
that!
toilet, oh. And this is the clothes.
Wardrobe. And this one, Daddy. Meron tayong shower.
Toilet, ano yung shower?
Ay, toilet pala to. Ito, nagmamagic din ba to? Patulan sa ano?
Okay, okay.
this one is the shower. Wow! Parang sauna. Yan. Open nga to, tatay. Pwede? Pa-open nga to. Pwede pa-open? Wow! Grabe, ang laki ng bathtub. Wow! This is the shower. Shower room. And this one is the... Tatay, this one. Please open this one first. Tatay, please open. Please open this one. Oh, it's the ref. The magical ref na bawal natin iwanin. Kasi... Magic!
Open mo yung curtain.
Wow! Let's see.
Let's go.
Grabe naman. Ang ganda naman. Open. Oops. Open. Okay.
Ano ko? Like to.
Wow!
Pagtulog niya na, tapos late.
Wow! Ito yung gabi dito. Sa Cebu. At yun. Nagpasimple pa si Boy. Swimming pool na ba yun? Oh, yan si Ilso. We have here the buko and the cakes. We have so many cakes. See? Yes, good evening. And so many desserts. Look at that. Well, so many desserts. Let's look. May buko pa. Fresh buko. And we have their shawarma station. This one. And fruits. And
Flowers. There's flowers. There's egg.
yes. Hello po. And we have here the lechon. Cebu.
That's big. That's big. That's big.
Yes, the lechon Cebu here.
Pigs. Pigs.
Pigs.
Pigs.
Baby pigs.
Baby pigs. Pigs. Flowers.
Sotanghon. And
There's eggs.
there's so many eggs. Wow! Elise is dancing. Na. Not on your mouth. Sobrang yummy. Last na. What's the taste? What's the taste of lechon Cebu? Elijah. Taste the lechon Cebu. Ah. Ay, no. What's the taste? Ha? Elijah? Ha? Is it tasty? One more time. Ay, naku po. What's the taste? Yummy. Grabe, ang sarap. Lechon Cebu. Grabe naman yan. Try that one. What's the taste?
Good.
Good. How about this one?
Good.
Hindi mo pa nga naranasan. Nakakatawa ka.